Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add pronouns to your Instagram bio. Get up first to your Instagram application and just tap right down on your profile section. Here, as you can see, you have the option for edit profile. Click on it, and then as you can see right after username you have the option for pronouns. Click on pronouns, and here you can add pronouns which can be related to your interest. For example, we'll go with go selected, and now also you have the chance to get up that show to followers only. When it says when this is turned on, only people who follow you will see your pronouns. Then go check it out with your right upper side by clicking on the tick and get off. And here guys, as you can see, you can see your pronouns on your profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.